Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can earn money online on Legiit platform as a freelancer. So let's search for Legiit, and here you can see this is the official website. And if you are a freelancer, just you can easily provide your services and you can earn a lot of money by sitting in home. So this is same like Fiverr, and if you have an account on the Fiverr, that's good. You can also create an additional account on this platform so that you can earn extra money. And here you can create your gigs, then you can easily sell your services. So let me show you. Here you can see on the top, these are the categories that you can work. So these are similar categories as like we see on the Fiverr. And let me show you how it works. Now scroll down, here you can see the seller profiles, and you can check the selling reviews, as well as you can also get ideas from their packages, their profiles. So premium package as like Fiverr. Now scroll down, and you need to create eye-catching gigs so that you will get more buyers on your gigs. Now let's click on the sign up button. Okay guys, here you can see this is a registration form. Just we need to fill out this detail, and I have my profile, so I am creating this account for someone else, that's why I'm using that name. And here we can select a username that is related to our skills. For example, I want to create this store for the Shopify skills, so let me search for Shopify expert developer, and after that let me add some password. So now let's check the email, and after that activate account. Now here you can see we have created account. Let's click on the profile, then start selling. Now here you can see we need to update these things before we can start selling on the Legiit. Make sure that you have added profile photo. Then after that profile information, just you can add some content about yourself. Then you can add here language, as well as you can also add introduction video. Then after that, other thing is just you need to add withdrawal account. Here you can see these are a couple of payment gateways and methods: PayPal, Skrill, as well as Payoneer. You can add this account, and after that you can start selling your services. Let me show you. Here you can see I have an active account. Now let me go in the services, and after that now let me click here, create new service. Then here I can add title, for example Shopify store design. Then here I can add subtitle. I will create Shopify store design. Then scroll down, and let me select the category from these, and after that here you can see these are various categories. Let me select web development, and after that let's click save and continue. Now after that, here you can add pricing packages. So this is to enable 3 packages. Now let's see if I want to go with the first one, all in one package. Complete Shopify store design. Delivery time, let me add 1 day. Pricing, let me add something. And after that, revisions, let me select unlimited. Then let me click save and continue. Then after that, here we can add some description, as well as we can also include YouTube video URL. Here we can add tags. Let me add something, for example Shopify website. Then after that, these are the requirements that simply you can ask from the buyer. For example, Shopify account access. And let me select an image from my laptop. Let me go for the Shopify, and after that let me select image. So make sure that image resolution is, here you can see, 836 multiplied by 484. And after that your image size will be less than 500 KB. Then click here save and continue. So guys, now here you can see we have submitted one service for the verification, and it will take some time for the approval. In this way you can create more and more services, and you can earn as a freelancer.